Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, we are from 11 OTKP2. In here, we will explain about how does rain happen. Before that, allow us to introduce ourselves. My name is Susi Handayani.
My name is Neng Rohaini.
My name is Nadila Nurfadila.
My name is Trilani Rizkyanti Putri.
My name is Sylvia Aurahirunisa.
Keep on watching.
We all know that rain is primary source of fresh water for most areas of the world, providing suitable conditions for diverse ecosystems. Rain is water that descends from the sky through several processes until the rain occurs. Do you know how does rain happen? The phenomenon of rain is actually a water circle. The concept of water circle includes the sun heating the earth's water surface and causing the water surface to evaporate. Earth water includes water from lake, river, and ocean. Then, the water vapor experiences condensation and becomes condensed vapor.
Condensed vapor is formed from droplets so that when the air temperature is higher, it makes the droplets gather, condensed and formed into cloud. The presence of wind help cloud move and gather in other places that have lower temperature. At that time, the droplet become heavier and unstoppable and cause the droplets to fall so that there is rain.
If the droplets drop in an area with very cold temperatures, the droplets will drop as snow. However, not all rain reaches the surface. Some evaporates while falling through dry air. This is called virga, a phenomenon which is often seen in hot, dry desert regions.
Explanation. The example of the text above is an explanation. Because the text describes a natural formation, namely, a crater of rain. In addition, the text has the same categories and structure as the explanation text. Namely, using the simple present tense, we can see that all the sentences in the text use the simple present tense. Using a section verb, for example, explanation text and draw. Using passive voice, for example, suggest favor from the place so that when the air temperature is high. Using non-phrases, for example, at water surface. Using technical terms, for example, evaporate, condensation, and virga, contents an explanation of the process of rain.
Generative structure. General statement. Paragraph 2. Contains general information about rain. Paragraph 2. Contains a series of tags for the occurrence of rain. Closing. Paragraph 3. The closing or closing section contains additional information in the form of rain that falls in hot areas and the hot areas.
That's all from us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good job!
Assalamu alaikum, my friends. The introduction of my group friends.
Hello, my name is Wilpani Maharani, class 11 OTKP 2.
My name is Pubi Usani, class 11
TKP 2.
Hello, my name is Sylvia Sri Melanie from class 11 OTKP 2. My name is Christina Ardiana, class 11 OTKP 2.
We will present the presentation about the explanation text about the rainbow. Here's the explanation text about rainbow.
Rainbow is a natural phenomenon when an arc of color, which is made by lakes drinking water, reflects upwards in the sky. This phenomenon generally happens after rain. The sequence of rainbow color is always started with red and followed by orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Pelangi adalah fenomena alam ketika busur warna yang dibuat oleh tetesan air yang mencolok muncul di langit. Fenomena ini umumnya terjadi setelah hujan. Urutan warna pelangi adalah oranye, kuning, hijau, biru, nila, dan ungu. Rainbow is formed by the refraction of sunlight by water droplets in the atmosphere. First of all, the sunlight passes through the water droplet and it is bent to the center of the droplet. Next, the white light is spared from each other into spectrum of light. The color that have been spared is spared again into the very small portion. Actually, the sunlight has several light beige, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and purple. But our eyes can capture thirds like only each color is been at different angles. Purple is the color of the first, while red is the last. Finally, those colors from a light are called a rainbow. Dibentuk oleh pembiasan sinar matahari oleh tetesan air di atmosfer. Pertama-tama, sinar matahari melewati tetesan air dengan membelok ke tengah tetesan. Selanjutnya, cahaya putih dipisahkan satu sama lain menjadi spektrum cahaya. Warna-warna yang telah dipisahkan kemudian dipisahkan lagi menjadi bagian-bagian yang sangat kecil. Sebenarnya, sinar matahari memiliki beberapa cahaya selain merah, jingga, kuning, hijau, biru, nila, dan ungu. Namun, mata kita hanya dapat menangkap cahaya tersebut. Setiap warna dibelokkan pada sudut yang berbeda. Ungu adalah warna pada lengkungan pertama, sedangkan merah adalah warna terakhir. Akhirnya, warna-warna itu membentuk busur cahaya yang disebut pelangi.
Generic sector. General statement. The first paragraph. Sequence of explanation. The second paragraph. Struktur umum. Pernyataan umum. Paragraf pertama. Urutan penjelasan. Paragraf kedua.
Like feature, simple present tense. The example which can be found in the text. This phenomenon generally happens after rain. Chronological connectivities. The sample which can be found in the text. First of all, next, finally. Passive voice. The example which can be found in the text. Rainbow is formed by the refraction of sunlight by water droplets in the atmosphere. Action verb. The example which can be found in the text. Make, appear, from, and bend. Bahasa. Simple present tense. Contoh yang dapat ditemukan pada teks. Fenomena ini umumnya terjadi setelah hujan. Penghubung kronologis. Contoh yang dapat ditemukan dalam teks. Pertama-tama, selanjutnya, akhirnya. Suara pasif. Contoh yang dapat ditemukan pada teks. Pelangi dibentuk oleh pembiasan sinar matahari oleh tetesan air di atmosfer. Kata kerja tindakan. Contoh yang bisa ditemukan pada teks. Buat tampilan bentuk tekuk.
Enjoy this video. Explanation text berjudul How Do People Get Infected by COVID-19? Dalam paragraf 1 ini termasuk ke dalam struktur general statement yang di dalamnya berisi tentang informasi umum dan generik partisipan pada kata coronavirus disease karena di situ menyebutkan tentang umum.
Paragraf kedua termasuk struktur squinted explanation, penjabaran secara sistematis yang menjelaskan fenomena tersebut. Di dalamnya ada passive voice, respiratory, edified, ejected.
Paragraf ketiga masih termasuk struktur squanted explanation, di dalamnya ada simple present. The virus then splice into their body via their mucous membrane, infecting the person.
Paragraf keempat termasuk struktur closing, berisi informasi tambahan atau opini penulis. Di dalamnya ada connection how to.
Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Aulia Nazla Al-Karimah.
My name is Reka Jumiati.
My name is Rina Febriana.
My name is Rini Octaviani.
My name is Widya.
As from 11 OTKP 3. How did the flood happen?
Flood are natural disasters that occur when it rains during the rainy season or are caused by water catchment areas. The existence of flooding certainly has an impact on society. Therefore, it is necessary to control the flow area so as not to cause the air to overflow.
Explanation. Due to the flood, impact to the area of residence, excluding land, livestock, and other facilities, excluding carrion. This propagation of the smooth communication between humans, especially if the impact of flooding on the environment is serious enough to cripple telecommunication, infrastructure, or general human activities. The education or loss of access to clean water, electric, transportation, communication, education, and health service.
Decrease in production capacity and human productivity, which can have other impacts such as shortages of food and medicine, and flooding occurs due to dirty environmental factors such as sewers clogged with garbage. Trees that are continuously cut down humans who do not protect the environment, and reforestation activities that are rarely carried out.
How to deal with flooding? Why maintain the surrounding environment? To make a house while for the rainfall. 3. Implementing selective canting and transportation program. 4. Dispose of drains in its place. 5. Diligently cleaning drains. 6. Will I back water. 7. Microwave of microphone.
The causes of flood is very broad and encompasses various areas, example in Jakarta, Bandung, and other cities. Actually, the main cause of flooding is due to human activity. For example, there is illegal logging in the forests which cause flooding. The most effective way to prevent flooding is to behave to maintain the cleanliness of environment.
now.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, allow us to introduce ourselves.
Hello, my name is Tari Marlina.
Hello, my name is Safila Dwi Anjani.
Hello, my name is Nisrina Amalia Effendi.
Hello, my name is Salma Nurwaida.
Hello, my name is Shalati Ramana.
Hello, my name is Nashanda.
Let's get started.
Do you know aurora? Aurora Latin word means sunrise. It's natural light displayed in the sky and the poles, north and south, caused by the collision of energetic charged particles with atoms in the high altitude atmosphere. In the northern latitude, the effect is known as aurora borealis. Aurora, the goddess dawn, borealis, north wind.
Well, in the Atlantic region, the effect is known as aurora australis, the illuminated. The northern and southern horizon is greenish or sometimes separate externally blue, but most type in fluorescent green aurora can be seen at night because the light is not as strong as the light of the day.
The aurora phenomena occurs when the sun produces solar wind. Solar wind is a stream of electrons and protons which are released from the sun due to the high kinetic energy. These particles are charged and contain energy, which means they contribute to electricity. In underway, our planet is surrounded by a supersized magnetic switch, which is usually called the magnetic field of the Earth.
Sometimes the solar wind hits the Earth. Some that days charged particles lead to the poles of the Earth at a speed that keeps growing. The collision between these particles and atoms present in the Earth's atmosphere. It releases the energy that causes of the information of colorful aurora at the poles of the Earth, which look like a big circle around in the pole.
Why aurora is only found in the Earth's poles? This is because the north and south pole magnetic field is very strong compared to outer regions. The poles of this magnetic field pull the proton and electron from the solar wind, so the phenomenon is more common in the polar regions.
However, sometimes the aurora can also appear at the top of the mountain in tropical climate. But this phenomenon is extremely rare. Aurora phenomena have been observed on other planets than Earth that have a magnetic field, such as Jupiter, Saturn, and more recently Mars. It is believed to be a widespread phenomenon in the solar system and beyond.
Nah, untuk paragraf yang pertama ini, genre strukturnya yaitu general statement. Dan terdapat simple present tense, yaitu di kata aurora can be seen at night.
Dan di paragraf yang aku baca terdapat passive voice, yaitu because.
Dalam paragraf 2 ini termasuk generik struktur, sequence of explanation atau urutan peristiwa. Dijelaskan pula bagaimana bisa terjadinya fenomena aurora. Dalam paragraf ini terdapat present continuous tense dalam kalimat solar wind is a stream of electrons and protons which are released from the sun due to the high kinetic energy. Dan ada pula conjunction atau kata hubung, yaitu pada kata in underway.
Dalam lanjutan paragraf 2, yang generik strukturnya termasuk sequence of explanation, menjelaskan terjadinya fenomena aurora. Nah, fenomena ini tuh terjadi dikarenakan adanya tabrakan antara partikel dan atom yang ada di atmosfer bumi, melepas semua energi sehingga terjadinya aurora berwarna-warni di kutub bumi. Dan dalam paragraf ini terdapat sebuah connection or conjunction atau kata penghubung sebab.
Nah, jadi di paragraf 3 itu generik strukturnya itu conclusion atau kesimpulan. Di paragraf 3 itu juga terdapat kata penghubung sebab, yaitu because.
Paragraf terakhir merupakan closing dan terdapat present perfect tense, yakni aurora phenomena have been observed on other planets than Earth that have a magnetic field.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from class 11 OTKP2. We will to tell you about how to determine generic structure and language picture of explanation text. How does rain happen? General statement. We all know that rain is primary source of fresh water of most areas of the world, providing suitable conditions for diverse ecosystem. Rain is water that descends from the sky through several processes until the rain occurs. Do you know how does rain happen?
Explanation. The phenomenon of rain is actually a water cycle. The concept of water cycle includes the sun hitting the earth's water surface and causing the water surface to evaporate. Earth's water includes water from lake, river, and ocean. Then the water vapor experiences condensation and becomes condensate vapor. Condensate vapor is formed from droplets, so then when the air temperature is higher, it makes the droplets gather, condensate, and form it into clouds. The presence of winds help cloud move and gather in other places that have lower temperature. At the time, the droplets becomes heavier and unstoppable and cause the droplets to fall so that there is rain.
Closing. If the droplets drop in an area with very cold temperatures, the droplets will drop is known. However, not all rain reaches the surface. Some evaporates while falling through dry air. This is called virga, a phenomenon which is often seen in hot, dry desert regions.
I will mention language feature in natural phenomena about how does rain happen. 1. Use action verb, example, experiences and drops in paragraph 1 and 3. 2. Use passive voice, example, condense and form in paragraph 2. 3. Use noun phrases, example, earth, water surface in paragraph 2. 4. Use technical term, example, evaporates, condensation and virga in paragraph 2 and 3. So from our group, apologize if there are errors in pronunciation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oh my God! Wow!
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Erbayu.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Asep Roni Rohmat.
Hello, my name is Sekar.
Hello, my name is Yesi.
Hello, my name is Rini Silpiani.
of fresh water for the most areas of the world, providing suitable conditions for desert ecosystem. Rain is water that is from the sky through several processes until the rain occurs. Do you know how does rain happen?
Paragraf pertama, generik strukturnya termasuk ke dalam general statement yang mana berisi pernyataan umum tentang hujan. Selain itu, pada paragraf pertama kita akan menemukan ciri kebahasaan atau language feature rain atau hujan, yang mana membahas tentang semua jenis hujan dan bukan salah satunya saja.
The phenomenon of rain is actually a weather cycle. The concept of weather cycle includes the sun hitting the Earth's weather surface and causing the weather surface to evaporate. Earth weather includes water from lake, river, and ocean. Then, the water vapor experiences condensation and becomes condensed vapor. Condensed vapor is formed from droplets so that when the air temperature is higher, it makes the droplets gather, condensed, and form into clouds. The presence of winds helps clouds move and gather in other places that have lower temperatures at the time. The droplets become heavier and unstable and cause the droplets to fall so that there is rain.
Dari paragraf kedua ini, generik strukturnya mulai ke explanation karena berisi pernyataan-pernyataan umum menurut penulis. Selain itu, menggunakan action verb, menggunakan technical term atau kata teknis, lalu menggunakan passive voice, dan yang terakhir menggunakan juga noun phrase atau kata benda. Untuk lebih jelasnya bisa disimak pada layar.
If the droplets drop in air will very cold temperatures, the droplets will drop as snow. Over air reaches the surface, some evaporates will filling the rock their ice. This is a calorific phenomenon which is often seen in hot, very desert regions.
Untuk paragraf ketiga ini, generik strukturnya termasuk ke dalam closing atau penutupan, yang mana bagian closing atau penutupan berisi informasi tambahan berupa hujan yang turun di daerah dingin atau snow dan di daerah yang panas atau virga.
Good job!
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will tell you about explanation of how does rain happen. Enjoy the video!
My name is Winda Wulandari from 11 OTKP 1.
My name Sari Puspita Dewi from 11 OTKP 1.
My name Fitri Lestari from 11 OTKP 1.
My name Fitri Nurenda from 11 OTKP 1.
Hello, this is example of explanation text. Nah, kami mempunyai salah satu contoh explanation text yaitu how does rain happen. Now go straight to the first part. Right through here the generic structure of the general statement. So, is it raining? Now the first paragraph explains that rain is water that falls from the sky. But do you know the process of rain?
Next, ke paragraf selanjutnya, yaitu di paragraf kedua, yang generic strukturnya itu adalah explanation atau sequences, di mana dan kenapa hujan itu bisa terjadi, atau how and why rain happen. Nah, di sini itu dijelaskan how atau bagaimana penjelasan proses hujan dari awal, dan why atau kenapa bisa terjadinya hujan.
Next, ke paragraf terakhir, general strukturnya itu conclusion atau closingnya paragraf ketiga ini adalah kesimpulan dari how does rain happen, jadi itu cara atau proses terjadinya hujan. Teks ini menggunakan simple present tense, bisa dilihat di paragraf ke-1. Rain is water that descends from the sky.
Lalu ada kalimat passive voice dapat dilihat pada paragraf kedua. Candace's favor is formed, yang menggunakan past tense. Nah, yang terakhir adalah linguistic filters, yang ada conjunction atau kata hubung dapat dilihat ada then, at the time, however.
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
How does rain happen? We all know that rain is primary source of fresh water for most areas of the world, providing suitable conditions for diverse ecosystems. Rain is water that descends from the sky through several processes until the rain occurs. Do you know how does rain happen? Pada paragraf ini menjelaskan tentang general statement.
The phenomenon of rain is actually a water circle. The concept of water circle includes the sun hitting the earth, water surface, and causing the water surface to evaporate. Earth water includes water from lake, river, and ocean. Then the water vapor experience condensation and becomes condensed vapor.
Condensed vapor is formed from the place so that when the water temperature is higher, it makes the droplets gather, condense, or form into cloud. The prince of wind helps cloud move and gather in other places that have lower temperature. At that time, the droplets become heavier and unstable, and cause the droplets to fall so that there is rain.
Pada paragraf ini termasuk explanation.
If the droplets drop in an air very cold temperatures, the droplets will drop as snow. However, not all rain reaches the surface. Some evaporates while filling rock dry air. This is called virgo, a phenomenon which is often seen in hot dry desert regions. Pada paragraf ini termasuk closing.
Sekian dari kami. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Safira Aulia.
My name is Salma Rona Askarunisa.
Hi, my name is Dian Siti.
My name is Aprilia.
Quakes happen. Quakes is one of the most destroying natural disaster. Conflict it often happens in several regions. Particularly, a horrible quake has happened was Sumatra. It has brought great damages. Why did it occur? Do you know how earthquake happens?
Earthquakes are usually caused when rock underground suddenly breaks along a fault. This sudden release of energy causes the seismic wave. It makes the ground shake. When two blocks of rock or two plates are rubbing against each other. They stick a little. They don't just slide softly. The rocks are still pushing against each other. The rocks break because of all the pressure that's built up. When the rocks break, the earthquake occurs.
Blocks of rocks start moving, and they continue to move until they get stuck again. This spot underground where the rock breaks is called the focus of the earthquake. The flames right above the focus is called the epicenter of the earthquake.
Yang pertama adalah tentang general statement, yaitu pernyataan umum. Melihat dari teks tersebut, tentu general statement-nya adalah an earthquake is happening.
Paragraf kedua, sequence of explanation adalah penjelasan tentang bagaimana earthquakes bisa terjadi. Gempa bumi bisa terjadi pada dasarnya adalah rocks underground suddenly breaks along a fault. Penjelasannya lainnya adalah tentang kronologi how rocks underground breaks along a fault.
Paragraf ketiga, closing, yang menerangkan bahwa pergeseran lempengan bumi terus terjadi dan menerangkan bahwa titik di bawah bumi di mana batu mengalami patahan, where the rocks breaks, disebut sebagai focus of the earthquake, dan tempat di atas titik tersebut disebut epicenter of earthquake.
Texture 1. Chronological connection. During, afterward, start, continue. 2. Generic participasi earthquake. 3. Async passive voice reason a horrible earthquake has hit West Sumatra. 4. Async simple present tense. The student release or energy caused the 6 waves. 5. Async action verbs. The rocks are still passing against earth other, but not moving. Action verbs passing, moving.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Hi, I'm Azahra.
Hi, I'm Febri. Hi, I'm Yulia. Hi, I'm Nanda.
Hi, I'm Nurul.
Hi, I am Salsabila.
Definition and purpose about explanation text. What is explanation text? Explanation is a text which tells process relating to forming of natural, social, selective, and culture at phenomena. Explanation text is to say why and how of the forming of the phenomena. What is a purpose? To explain how something works and why something happens.
Earthquakes are vibration or shocks caused by the movement of the Earth's rock layers from the bottom of the Earth. This disaster occurs a lot in areas adjacent to volcanoes and around the vast ocean.
Earthquakes occur because of movements in the lower layers of the Earth and also massive volcanic eruptions. This disaster happened quickly and suddenly, but the impact was quite large and wide. In addition to losses in form of property, this earthquake also claimed no small number of lives. This was because the area flooded could not to be predicted with certainty, so that many people could not prepare themselves for this disaster.
Based on the cause, earthquakes are divided into two, namely tectonic earthquakes and volcanic earthquakes. Tectonic earthquakes occur because the players on the Earth's crust become pressures of top. They experience movement, while volcanic earthquakes are caused by volcanic activity. Tectonic earthquakes are more common than volcanic earthquakes.
Those earthquakes are natural phenomena that occur suddenly in a fairly short period of time, but the impact can be very large and widespread.
General structure contains general information about earthquake on the paragraph 1. 2. Explanation contains about the purpose of earthquake on the paragraph 2 and 3. 3. Closing the consideration of the earthquake process on the paragraph 4.
Language feature list 1. Featuring generic participant, earthquake. 2. Chronological connection, there, does, but. 3. Passive voice pattern is.
Earthquakes are vibration of shock caused by the movement of the Earth's rocks layer from the bottom of the earth.
Illusion, cause and effect is caused because of death and shock. Verb is erupted and movement.
C. Conjunction of time pairs.